Students, we are learning calculation of new profit sharing ratio and sacrifice ratio in admission of a partner. In that, there are 5 cases. In last video, we completed 3 cases, namely equal sacrifice, unequal sacrifice and entirely sacrificed by one partner. In this class, we are going to complete 2 cases, namely surrender or sacrifice from original ratio and no sacrifice is given. Look at the problem. Case number 4. Surrender or sacrifice from the original ratio. Sum number 1. A and B are partners sharing profits in the ratio of 7:3. They decided to admit C into the firm. A surrendered 1/7 of his share and B surrendered 1/3 of his share. Okay. The formula I am going to use is new ratio equal to old ratio minus sacrifice ratio. Old ratio given in the question. Old ratio given in the question. A's old ratio 7/10, B's old ratio 3/10. We have to find sacrifice ratio. We have to find sacrifice ratio. A sacrifices and B also sacrifices. Here look at the problem. A surrendered 1/7 of his share. A surrendered 1/7 of his old share. 1/7 of his share means what? Old share. So he sacrificed 7/70 or we can say 1/10. Likewise, B surrendered 1/3 of his share. B surrendered 1/3 of his old share. 3/30 or 1/10. Now we can calculate the new ratio. A's old ratio 7/10 is sacrifice 1/10, common denominator 10, 7 minus 1/10 equal to 6/10. So A's new share 6/10, B old share 3/10 is sacrifice 1/10, common denominator 10, 3 minus 1/10 equal to 2/10. Next, C's new share is very easy. Total available share is 10, of which 6 shares goes to A, 2 shares goes to B, balance 2 shares goes to C. So new ratio 6:2:2 or we can say 3:1:1. Yes, students. Next, look at the second problem. Students, let me see second problem in relation to surrender or sacrifice from original ratio. Look at the second problem. Suresh and Dinesh are partners sharing profits in the ratio of 3:2. They admit Ramesh as a new partner. Suresh surrendered 1/5 of his share. Dinesh surrendered 2/5 of his share. Okay. So the formula, same formula I am going to use. New ratio equal to old ratio minus sacrifice ratio. Old ratio given in the question. Suresh old ratio 3/5. Dinesh old ratio 2/5. We have to find Suresh and Dinesh sacrifice. Now look at the second concept. Suresh surrendered 1/5 of his share. Suresh surrendered 1/5 of his old share, 3/5. So he surrendered 3/25. Then Dinesh surrendered 2/5 of his share. Dinesh surrendered 2/5 of his share. He surrendered 4/25. Now we can calculate the new ratio. Suresh old ratio 3/5 minus sacrifice ratio 3/25. So common denominator we can take 25. 25 divided by 5, 5. 5 3s are 15. 25 divided by 25, 1 into 3, 3. 12/25. Then Dinesh old ratio 2/5, sacrifice ratio 4/25, common denominator 25. 25 divided by 5, 5 into 2, 10. 25 divided by 25, 1 into 4, 4. So 6/25. Then who is the new partner? New partner is Ramesh. Ramesh's new share is total available share 25, of which 12 given to Suresh, 6 given to Dinesh. So total shares given to Suresh and Dinesh are 18. So balance 7 shares given to Ramesh. 7 by 25. So the new ratio is 12:6:7. Then students, let me see the third problem now. Let me learn the third problem, which is related to the unequal sacrifice. Look at the problem. It is a different problem. Ramesh and Raju are partners sharing profits in the ratio of 2:1. They admit Rajan as a new partner for 1/4 share. Rajan acquired the share from old partners in 3:2. Okay, I am going to use the same formula. New ratio equal to old ratio minus sacrifice ratio. Old ratio given in the question. Ramesh old share 2/3. Raju old share 1/3. Then I am going to calculate the sacrifice ratio. I am going to calculate the sacrifice ratio for Ramesh. So the new partner acquiring the share from old partner in 3:2. So new partner share how much? 1/4, of which 3/5 given by Ramesh. So 3/20. Then likewise Raju, the new partner share is 1/4, of which they are sharing in 3:2. So 3/5, 2/5. So 2/5. 2/20. Students, once again, here new partner is getting how much? 1/4. This 1/4 shared by Ramesh and Raju in 3:2. Okay. So new partner share into that unequal sacrifice will get what? Sacrifice ratio. Now we are going to calculate the new ratio. So Ramesh old share 2/3 is sacrifice 3/20. Common denominator we can take 60, because not divisible. I multiplied 3 and 20. I got 60. 60 divided by 3. 20 into 2, 40. 60 divided by 23. 3 3s are 9. So balance 31/60. Then Raju old ratio 1/3. Sacrifice ratio 2/20. So total 60. 60 divided by 3. 20 into 1, 20. 60 divided by 23. 3 2s are 6. So balance 14/60. Now we are going to calculate new ratio for Rajan. Total available share 60, of which 31 given to Ramesh, 14 given to Rajan. So totally 45 shares. Yes, 45 shares given to Raju. So balance 15 shares are given to the Rajan. So our new ratio is 31:14:16. Students, this is related to the unequal sacrifice. Let me see the last case. Let me learn the fifth case. Namely, no sacrifice is given. Bimal and Aarti are partners sharing profits in the ratio of 2:1. Jayam is admitted as a new partner for 1/4 share. So Vimal and Aarti are sharing profits in the ratio of 2:1. They are going to admit Jayam into the partnership as a new partner for 1/4 share. In this problem, Vimal sacrifice and Aarti sacrifice are not given. This we called no sacrifice is given. So for all the cases, we used one formula, new ratio equal to old ratio minus sacrifice ratio. But for this purpose, we should not use that formula. We have to use one new formula called new ratio equal to old ratio into remaining share. Old ratio into remaining share. Old ratio given in the question. Vimal old ratio 2/3. Aarti old ratio 1/3. We have to find remaining share. The formula for remaining share 1 minus new partner share. 1 minus new partner share. So 1 minus the new partner share is 1/4. So balance 3/4 shared by Vimal and Aarti. Okay, now I am going to calculate the new ratio. Vimal old ratio 2/3 into 3/4. So Vimal's old ratio into remaining share. So 6/12. Then we have Aarti. Old ratio 1 by 3. Remaining share 3 by 4. So 3 by 12. Then the new partner is Jayam. The new partner is Jayam. Out of 12 shares, 6 shares given to Vimal, 3 shares are given to Aarti. So balance 3 shares are given to Jayam. So new ratio is 6:3:3 or 2:1:1. Then we have to calculate the sacrifice also. Sacrifice ratio. What is the formula? Old ratio minus new ratio. Old ratio minus new ratio. Vimal, old ratio 2 by 3. Vimal's new ratio 6 by 12. So common denominator we can take 12. 12 divided by 3, 4, 4 2s are 8 minus 12 divided by 12, 1 into 6, 6. So 2 by 12. Then Aarti, old ratio 1 by 3, new ratio 3 by 12. Common denominator 12. 12 divided by 3, 4, 4 3s are 12. Divided by 3, 4, 4 1s are 4. 12 divided by 12, 1 into 3, 3. So 1 by 12. So sacrifice ratio is 2:1. Students, listen carefully. When no sacrifice is given, the old ratio and the sacrifice ratio should be same. That is very, very important. Old ratio and sacrifice ratio should be same when sacrifice is not given. Students, we completed all the cases. Now we are going to learn calculation of sacrifice ratio directly. Look at the fifth problem. Here old ratio and new ratio both are given. We have to find sacrifice ratio. Look at the problem. Calculation of sacrifice ratio. Anbu and Raju are partners sharing profits in the ratio of 3:2. Akshay admitted as a new partner. The new profit sharing ratio among Anbu, Raju and Akshay. So old ratio and new ratio both are given. We have to calculate sacrifice ratio. So sacrifice ratio formula, old ratio minus new ratio. Who can sacrifice old partner? Anbu and Raju. Anbu and Raju. Old share of Anbu and Raju 3:2. So 3 by 5, 2 by 5 minus. New ratio 5 by 10, 2 by 10. 5 by 10, 3 by 10. 5 by 10, 3 by 10. So common denominator we can take 10. 10 divided by 5, 2 3s are 6. 10 divided by 10, 1 into 5, 5. So 1 by 10. Here common denominator 10. 10 divided by 5, 2 2s are 4. 10 divided by 10, 1 into 3, 3. So 1 by 10. So sacrifice ratio 1:1. Students, we completed calculation of new profit sharing ratio in admission of a partner. There are 5 cases we completed. Then we completed calculation of sacrifice ratio directly. In next class, we will solve different problem. Till then, bye and thank you.